Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to restore or recover your Discord account without email. Now unfortunately there is no automatic way of doing this, so you are going to have to contact support if you don't know your email or cannot access it. So you're just going to close Discord basically, and then you're going to go into Discord, support.discord.com, and then you're going to go in here, submit a request. Once you're here, you're basically going to choose account. It might not pop up at first, so you're gonna have to search for it, or just press hacked account. Then you're gonna enter your email address, your username. If you know your use ID, that is super helpful, but if you can't find it, you don't have to. As you can see, it's optional. You can enter the email before it was compromised, so before you actually lost the email or actually got hacked. Then you're gonna add the suspicion if you have one. Then if you know if it was changed, you're gonna just ask yes. Basically you're gonna tell them that your account was hacked or that you lost it and you need help with recovering it. And then in the description you're basically gonna explain clearly what happened to you and why you cannot log in. If you can add attachments from where you were, or like screenshots from when you were using the account. That also helps. And basically you're gonna have to submit and wait for Discord to reply. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.